Welcome, I'm Edwin. Today we're diving into the fascinating history of the 1971 two new pen coins from the United Kingdom. A small yet significant part of British numismatics, these coins mark an important chapter in the UK's monetary history, tied to decimalization of its currency. So let's uncover its history. To understand the significance of the two new pen coin, we need to go back to 15 February 1971, commonly known as Decimal Day. This was when the UK transitioned from the centuries old pounds, shillings, and pence system to a simpler decimal currency. Before decimalization, 1 pound equal 240 pence. After the change, 1 pound was divided into 100 pence, aligning the UK with modern international monetary systems. The two new pen coin was introduced as part of this new system to replace the two pence coin under old currency. The 1971 two new pen coin was first of its kind, designed to meet the needs of the decimal system. Made of bronze, the coin has a coppery appearance, giving it distinctive sheen. It measures 25.91 mm in diameter and weighs 7.12 grams. A front of the coin features the profile of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. The queen is shown wearing the girth of the Great Britain and Ireland tiara. The reverse displays the badge of Prince of Wales, a plume of three ostrich feathers within a coronet. Below the feathers is the motto I see it's Dayen, meaning I serve in German. This design was created by Christopher Ironside. The reverse also reads New Pence, a term used from 1971 to 1981 to distinguish the new decimal coin from the old system. While millions of two new pen coins were minted in 1971, their value today depends on their condition and any unique features. Most 1971 two new pen coin are common and hold little more than face value, but they remain cherished by the collectors due to their historical importance. As the first decimal issue, a specimen in pristine uncirculated condition or proof sheet from 1971 can fetch a higher value among numismatists. The inscription New Pence was used on UK coins from 1971 until 1981. In 1982, the price was changed to 2 pence for consistency as the decimal system became firmly established. This subtle helps coin enthusiasts date their coins at a glance. In auction record results, coins that have remained uncirculated or are in exceptional condition can attract higher prices. For instance, a 1971 two new pen coin graded as MS64 brown by NGC was sold for 1,500 US dollar in at Heritage Auction event on February 16, 2023. Some sellers list common 1971 two new pen coin at inflated prices, often labeling them as a rare. For example, a 1971 two new pen coins was listed on eBay for 209.30 US dollar, reduced from 299 US dollar. Such listing can be misleading as the coin is not rare in a standard circulation. 1983 new pen errors or new pence errors. A notable rarity is the 1983 two-fig coin mistakenly struck with a new pence inscription instead of the updated 2 pence. These error coins have featured significant sum of auctions with one selling for €700 in 2024. while the standard 1971 2 new pen coin is abundant and holds minimal value beyond its piece amount. Coins in pristine condition or those with unique errors can command higher prices among collectors. It's essential to authenticate and grade coin accurately to determine their true market value. 2p coin with new pens errors sell for €700. Thank you guys, and God bless everyone.